Who knows, diba? Guys, we are heading now, getting near. Few more minutes.
In 200 meters, turn left to stay on Avenue Monique.
Do you hear that?
Avenue Monique, ano?
So continue.
Tatay Happy, ayan. Yan yung tindahan ni Tatay Happy.
Take the next left to stay on Avenue Monique.
Pag pumunta ka dyan, magiging happy ka talaga. Yan lang yung gawin dito. Saint Nick.
You know what, guys and guys, we're talking a while ago about ungrateful people. So ano nangyari dun?
Continue on Avenue Monique
No,
for 800 meters.
we're not gonna name him.
I see.
So what have you learned about him?
What have you learned about? When you help someone, don't expect in return.
Yes.
Yes. Ganun lang.
But what we can only expect, respect.
Yeah, that's respect.
We can't expect so much, but we only have to expect a respects from them because we help them, right?
Yes.
But sometimes they don't see our, how do you call the thing, our efforts, our concerns with them,
Yes.
for them to give them good future,
Yes, our
better future.
Yes, our brotherly kindness.
Yeah. And when you lend them a hand, they want to grab both of your hands.
And
They
also,
took advantage.
and also your feet
Yeah.
and your head.
You know, people sometimes wants you to ruin your life. They are not being contented for what you have given to them. They keep on asking everything from you, and then when you didn't allow them, they will be mad at you.
Yes, absolutely.
For getting near, guys and girls.
Oh, where should we go now?
Take the next right onto
Go
Rue
Turn
Ariane.
turn right.
Turn around, okay.
So you can drop by at the corner. We thank you very much.
In 300 meters, your
No
destination
problem.
will be on the
By the
left.
way, make some shout outs.
Shout out to all Madlang people, especially the Santa Lucia East Grand Mall,
Do you have something?
cell phone technician.
Yeah. Do you have something to promote?
Promote
Yeah.
this one. Pandesal. Joke.
Hindi, seriously speaking, do you have,
Wala
do you have
akong
channel or
mapopromote
do you
eh.
have business to promote?
Wala akong mapopromote.
We thank you for the hitch.
Yes, no
So what
problem.
can you share with our viewers aside
Our
from
viewers?
your bad experiences with the other ungrateful people? What do you
Ungrateful
want
people.
with our viewers to be more aware of?
More aware. Just like what I said, don't expect in return when you help someone. Just tell them that just do it to others when you have done something good. Just do it to others also.
Aside from that, do you have anything to add or?
Nothing, because I'm very sleepy and
Yeah.
tired.
Thank you. I hope I didn't disturb your
No, you didn't.
being alone, huh?
No, you didn't.
And for thank you for sharing your time with me and your thoughts
Yes.
and your, experiences
And
in
also
life.
you share your monthly kita dyan.
Not yet. So guys and guys,
Okay.
once again, please introduce yourself.
Romeo.
Yeah.
and-
Thank you, Romy. And give my love and affection to your family, okay?
All right.
Bye for now. And thank you once again for the hitch. Don't forget my dried fish once I have
Okay.
I'm gonna offer you again.
Okay. Bye-bye.
So one last,
There you
guys. Thank you so much. Good evening to each every one of you. We'll continue our some chit chats when I'm walking there in my house, okay? Because I'm gonna greet you, each one of you. Oh, thank you. Hold on.
Alright.
Uy, thank you ha.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you. Guys, thank you, Lord, for the wonderful blessings. To all my silent subscribers out there, thank you so much. Each every one of you. I'm so tired and exhausted. To all my 13 lovely conscious, I can't enumerate. So anyway, guys, please bear with me. I can't talk that much. Philippines, United States, Indonesia, Japan, Canada, India, Myanmar, United Kingdom, Saudi Arabia, Malaysia, United Arab Emirates, Italy, Germany, and to all my silent subscribers, to all my first viewers, to all my Facebook viewers, to all my Facebook followers, to my new subscribers, hi, to my mother in Bicol, Fea Bordo, Monet Pacheco. Hi. Bye for now. I'm getting near. Bye. Take good care. Godspeed.